Hi everyone, my name is Matt. I'm the owner and founder of Boreas Campers. We design, manufacture, and sell off-road camper trailers here in Denver, Colorado. Behind me is our Boreas XT. This is a fully turnkey off-grid, off-road camper trailer. It is built with zero wood construction, so we're building a lighter, stronger, and more durable teardrop than what you typically see on the market. Also new for 2021, we've been bringing in the Cruisemaster independent suspension out of Australia, allowing this camper to go further into the backcountry and leaving the crowds behind. Later in 2021, we're going to be launching our new hybrid camper. We're super excited about this model. Make sure you check that out. Also, there's a ton more information, specs, build processes available on our YouTube page, so make sure you check that out as well.